So, do you know instant move and instant copy? It's a great option to easier copy and move files. Per default, you have to use move deb xfce, and then you have to type the same name again with tab completion. It's easier, and then you go and change the target name. Yeah, so this would be the normal way. Now there is instant move. I think instant move is the name. I am -- help. Here you see IMV and ICP. And you cannot install them directly. They are man instant move. Let's check the man page. Okay. That's it. apt list Renameutils. This is the package name for Renameutils. And let's do, it's in German here, application to move files easier. And let's look about, sorry, it's here in German in this case. But here you see, it's in the information of the package, you see QMV, IMV, ICP, QCP. Okay, this is interesting. I don't noticed before the QMV. This is editing editor, the file name, I think. But this is not important. This is the package name, Renameutils, to install, and then you get the ICP, instant copy, and the what's going on here? Instant copy and instant move. For example, instant copy, kg. Then it's like a prompt where you can insert stuff. So you type just kg new, for example, and then you have given the new name, and then now you see this is the old kg, and here kg new. Okay, it's that easy. Remove, and then instant move or improved move. I'm not sure what was the exactly word for I. Let's change deb secure. For example, this is how I rename my files. Here I change 32 and then enter, and the file name is changed. It's very easy. I absolutely like it. And now you see this is the file renamed. That's it. Install Renameutils and use instant move and instant copy. It's very, very great. I use this mostly the instant move or improved move. This is IMV. This is what I use most of the time. In some cases I use the old move also. But for example, renaming my virtual machines, I use all the time IMV. So Have fun. Stay tuned.